Makanya kalau biar tentang
Nong alam ka Trinamool Congress Mukul sang mau la Kyntait ya kajin keno ha ka bedai ba kajin Pyniasoh ka jong bat ka Seng Bharatiya Janata Party da ka baong ba ka de ka Khubor ka balarem but ula banru ba ka Pyniasoh ka jong bat ka Seng TMC haswa ka Meghalaya Assembly Election 2008 pulai ka balade ka longbet ha ka jingkut jingmut ka jong ban I no ya ka Seng Congress Usang mau la ong shushu ba nadu usnem 8,000 kat kendai 8,000 arpo ula don hi gejing temu ban I no Seng Congress na ki daw ki babon kumta ka jing keno ba jing kentho ki brieu halor ki e belaja kalong ka bakla
political discussion there is no harm in listening to that because at that point of time I was deciding to leave Congress. Let me be very frank, at that point of time 2020 21 that time I was already deciding to leave the Congress because of various reasons which I have shared with media, and even before that there were emissaries who were sent. Even before 2014 emissaries were sent. These are long stories, old stories, long and old. It's not in one particular year. But then I think they are aware of my stand. They are aware of my stand.
Da ka jing temu ban pensap yang jing tip